When I found out I was voted by my peers as the Altos Bartenders Bartender, it was a big shock to me. We've only been open for about a year and a half. The philosophy that drives me is having an honest approach to bartending. That means foraging out in the wild and giving the customer that raw sort of experience when they come into the bar. Hi, my name is Vijay Mudaliar from Native in Singapore, and I'm the winner of Altos Bartenders Bartender Award. We had a hard time opening up. A lot of it was struggles. A lot of people didn't believe in the idea that we had. So the whole idea was based on who we are, where we're from, and what's around us. Very true to the location. When you come to Native, you have a sense of where you are. Today we're in London, going out foraging. We're accompanied by John the Poacher, who's a professional forager.
Whip that up and smell that.
Wow. Super tasty. Reminds me of like a kaffir lime yeast back home. Hopefully we can go out, find some interesting ingredients and try to use them in the cocktails.
This is magnolia.
So you say the syrups have this like almondy sort of flavor?
Yeah.
Our first menu, we had a cocktail with ants. These ants had like this acidity, so they taste like little limes or lemons. And honestly, we thought customers wouldn't like it at all, but it ended up being one of our best-selling cocktails.
Wow.
Wild limoncello with it.
Wild limoncello sounds banging.
Going out there and finding these ingredients, herbs, spices that people just walk past on a daily basis and they don't even notice, and sort of integrate this natural environment to the cocktails, connecting with the customers. It's very natural when you use your natural surroundings in your cocktails.
Got some eucalyptus, super zesty, fresh menthol. It's nice, huh? Is this Angelica?
No, this is wild onions.
Oh. And also, of course, once you go out and get these ingredients from the wild, it tastes so much better from the things that you get in the store. Growing up in Singapore, a very sort of melting pot, a lot of different cultures, so I naturally lean towards cities that have a similar sort of landscape as well.
Reminds me of like chrysanthemum, marigold, stuff that we get back home. Slight zestiness, berryness to it. Super exciting. Could be a good kombucha in my opinion. Right now we've got some violets, we've got some cherry blossoms and some eucalyptus. So I definitely see a drink coming up with those ingredients.
So we're going to do a eucalyptus distillate that we've infused with a bit of vodka, and then we have some sweet bay cordial, and then we've done a ferment with some of these cherry blossoms and a bit of birch syrup, and then we're going to be adding a bit of Altos tequila because all these flavors are quite grassy and green, and the tequila is going to bring these flavors out. So for our garnish, we've just gathered some moss, deep fried it, and then sprinkled it with a bit of cacao husk and a bit of salt. So it's going to be nice and crunchy, salty, a bit chocolatey as well with the cocktail.